Coaster Universe. This is a video of Kings Island's construction update. All the construction's going on around the train. Back here there's a lot of trees marked. A lot of them being cut down. Over there on the other side of Whitewater's entrance is all of the a lot of the land they just cleared. Still some really big logs over there. Looks like there's been a little bit of activity going on over here under Diamondback. There's been a little bit of rumors of stuff going on back here towards the back of the train. And one of the teasers the park posted was over the river and through the woods to the train house we go. And a lot of people was thinking that the river is going to be Whitewater Canyon over there. We're way on the back side of the train now, and there's still more areas being zoned off. We're almost to the water park now. So there is a large area of land that is being cleared. We're almost all the way back to the water park. And this is the train house that the teaser said that they were going to go to in what I said earlier in the video. So if it's a coaster, we think it's going to come back here. And here's the other train going by. Here's a little bit better view of the train house that they posted about hashtag KI Project 2017. So apparently there will be work going on out here as well. There's a little bit of land clearing there. Here's Whitewater, and Whitewater's had a lot to do with the area of construction so far. And right here is the big area they've been working on. They've got a whole construction stuff pulled out. Now, on behalf of the entire train, my name is Jake. We have Brian and what's her name? Land is marked all the way over here to the edge of the train tracks. And then a lot of land up there where the old entrance to Whitewater Canyon is also being cleared. Once again, please keep your hands inside the train at all times. Thank you. And then over here is behind the fence. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been a Coaster Universe production filmed by Kings Island Forever.